What is satellite? Explain why we can't live on the moon.
An object that revolves around a planet and its orbit is called a satellite. We can't live on the moon because moon has no temperature.
What are constellation? Give two example.
A group of stars seeing a specific pattern is called constellation. Scorpio and Ursa Major are the two examples of constellation.
What do you understand by the axis of the earth?
An imaginary line running through the center of the earth from the North Pole to the South Pole at an angle of 23.5 degree Celsius is called axis.
Why do stars appear so small?
Stars appear so small because they are much far away from us.
What is the solar system?
The sun, the sun, the 8 planets, their moons, and the dwarf planets forms a solar system.
Name all the heavenly bodies that comprise the solar system.
The heavenly bodies that comprise the solar system are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune.
Give two example for each planet.
Ceres and Aries,
Constellation.
Ursa Major and Scorpio,
Outer planets.
Neptune, Uranus,
Movements
Saturn,
of earth.
rotation and revolution,
Imaginary line of the earth.
axis and equator.